Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem tankless water heater error code 61. Fan motor failure troubleshooting. Fixes are: reset the water heater, turn off the power to the water heater at a switch or circuit breaker, then turn off the gas supply, turn off all hot water taps, then wait 2 to 5 minutes, then turn the power and gas back on. Second one is check for blocked air intake or vent. Turn off the unit, inspect the air intake and exhaust vent, then remove leaf, dirt, bird nets or any other blockage, then restart the heater. Third one is inspect the fan motor. Turn off power and gas to the heater, then remove the front cover. Check if the boiler fan spins freely by hand. Remove any dust or debris from the fan and housing, then reassemble the unit and test it again. Fourth one is check the wiring connection. Turn off the power, inspect the wiring harness between the fan motor and control board, then make sure all connectors are fully seated. Look for damaged loose or corded wire. Then restore power and test the heater. Thanks for watching.